So, our objective is to develop an affordable LPG gas cylinder monitoring system which monitors the cylinder's weight, leakage, and to notify users depending on cylinder's health status along with facilities for booking and subsidy info. Before moving on to the project explanation, we plan to introduce a module which is capable of monitoring cylinder's weight, detecting leakage, and also notifying the users regarding the weight and leakage through our mobile application. Detailed features of the product will be discussed on the coming slides. The module will be addressing two kinds of users: the users who have an internet access and the users who does not have an internet access.
This block diagram is for our internet users. As you can see, we have used an online database for the storage of the weight of the LPG gas cylinder and the leakage information of the cylinder.
You can see the sources that we are used in the software part: Android Studio for app development, Arduino IDE for coding the microcontroller. Database that we have selected is Google Sheets, so in order to connect Google Sheet with the node MCU, EIE-FISAT is used. We are fixing the case with the help of the magnet, which is fixed on the bottom of the case and is get attached to the body of the cylinder near the nozzle.
Now moving on to the app development part. This is the app interface which we have developed in the Android Studio. As you can see, this is the login and account tab, also the home and info screen. Moving on to the working of the mobile app. Here, this is the interface of the app. As you can see, there is a login and register button. Register, it is used by entering the following details. A new user can create an account in the app. If the user is already registered, the member can log in to the app by entering the phone number and password. As you can see, this is the home screen of the app. There are two options available. First one, to know the cylinder information, and second, booking the cylinder. Moving on to the navigation window of the mobile app, it shows the user's account details and settings. By selecting the cylinder info, user will be able to know the information regarding the leakage and the weight of the gas cylinder. And by choosing the option subsidy info, it shows the update of the subsidy so far regarding the gas cylinder. The user will be able to see the subsidy info on the monthly basis, where it displays the subsidized amount which is credited to the bank account. It also displays an alert based on the current subsidy limit and the alert regarding whether the cylinder is subsidized or not. Coming back to the home window, by selecting a book a cylinder option, it directly links to the gas provider website. This option is used for book the gas cylinder whenever the user needed. As you can see, the message icon in the lower right corner of the screen, the user can ask their queries through WhatsApp.
Now what about the users who does not have an internet access? For those users, in the hardware module, we will be using the following components. This is the block diagram that we are going to implement for the users who doesn't have an internet access. Here you can't see an online database. We will send the SMS only if the leakage is detected or the LPG volume falls below a threshold value.
So, what makes our product unique? We have researched and found that there are people who made a project with just one feature. Their project will be addressing only the leakage, or the project will be limited to sending SMS regarding the weight of the LPG cylinder. And also, only the LPG booking facilities are available in the apps that you can find on the Play Store. But the product that we are introducing has all the features capsuled into the single module. Furthermore, many new features has been introduced. We are considering both internet and non-internet users. As we have mentioned, we can view our subsidy information on the app itself. So this is a product which is an all-in-one solution for our LPG needs. Since we got an overall idea about the app, now let's move on to the module. To begin with, the hardware module consists of load cell to collect the weight of the cylinder. Now as you can see, when a force is applied on the load cell, it gets displayed on the module, as well as it gets updated on the online database, which is the Google Sheets. The weight of the gas cylinder is shown on the display as well as it is updated on the online database. Now as you can see, the weight is showing as 1.22 kg. The weight is updated in the database as well as it gets updated on the application. Now what if there is a gas leakage? In order to demonstrate this, I have used a lighter. So when the lighter is placed above the gas sensor, it detects the leakage and it is displayed on the LCD screen. And also it gets updated on the online database. Whenever a leakage happens, the buzzer starts to beep. And also the fan starts to rotate in order to push the gas away from the gas cylinder. If you observe closer, in the online database, that is the Google Sheet, you can see a message called leak. So whenever the online database gets updated with the message called leak, certain alerts are sent to the application. So as you can see on the screen, an alert message is shown on the application.